I removed the original white zip ties I had around this end. I also removed the bolt from the end of the shift drum. I did add 2 more zip ties here. This happens to be black instead of white, here and here. Another word of advice, don't be stingy with the zip ties. If in doubt, put on more, as long as you can get at them to take them apart or cut them off later. There's no reason to be stingy with them. They're cheap. They're easy to get. Don't take a chance. I've got this tied now 3 places here, here, and here, excuse me, so that this can't go anywhere. The shafts have been lubricated, the bushings have been and bearings have been lubricated, so now it's just a matter of aligning the 3 shafts with their respective mating spots, female here, here, and here, and dropping the transmission in. And again, it's in neutral. This neutral, this is when the neutral pickup, which is right here at the top, has to be aligned. That's how I know it's a neutral, plus turning the shafts. All right, now we're going to go ahead and drop the transmission in to the left case. Literally, I just dropped it right in, and if I hold the output shaft where my left hand is and turn this primary shaft, you can see that it's in neutral and everything's seated quite easily. I had to use a little persuasion just to tap that down, make sure everything was down in place, and it is. And the transmission installation on the into the left side is complete. Next step will be to clean everything thoroughly, blow it off, make sure no debris got in there, and attach case sealer. That's the same sealer I used when I installed the crankshaft. Everything has to be very clean, so I'll clean it with acetone or carburetor cleaner, one or the other. Well, more likely probably brake cleaner, and then wipe it all clean. Make sure your hands are clean when you do this, by the way. Your work area is clean, your tools are clean. Then I'll drop in another video, the next video, I'll drop the right crankcase half into place. That's it for this video, as usual. Thanks for watching.